Alright, boys and girls, today we are going to start our multiplication unit, and we are going to start this by learning how to multiply by tens and hundreds using the zeros trick. So it is a pretty easy thing to do if you understand the trick, okay? So we have 29 times 10. The first thing you do is remove the zeros from the equation and multiply. So get rid of your zeros. What is 29 times 1? Because we got rid of our 0. 29 times 1 is 29. And anything times 1 is itself. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 55,000 times 1 is 55,000. Anything times 1 is 1. Okay, once we've multiplied the digits without the 0, 29 times 1 is 29, we want to add the 0 back into the product. So, 2, 9. How many zeros did we get rid of? Only 1. So we add 1 back in. So 29 times 10 equals 290. So remember, when you're adding your zeros back in, you only add the amount of zeros that you took away, and we only took away 1. Alright, so let's look at the next one. 32 times 100. Well, we're going to remove our 2 zeros, and that leaves us with 32 times 1. Well, anything times 1, any number times 1 is going to be that number. So what is 32 times 1? 32. Alright, then we need to add the zeros back into the product. So if you have 32, how many zeros did we take away? We took 1, 2. So we're going to add 1, 2. So the answer to 32 times 100 is 3,200. Because we took away 2 zeros, we added our 2 zeros back in. 32 times 1, it's 32. So 3,200 is our answer. Alright, the last one we're going to look at. 50 times 100. We're going to remove all the zeros. Every single one of them. So removing that one, and that one. So 5 times 1 is, anything times 1 is itself. So 5 times 1 is 5. How many zeros do we need to add back in? Well, we took 1, 2, 3 away, so we're going to have 5 and then add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 5,000 is what we get. So 50 times 100 is 5,000. Alright, so you are just taking away your zeros and doing simple multiplication facts and then adding your zeros back in. So now you are going to practice this on your own doing a Canvas activity.